ChatGPT just launched browsing alpha, and it enables it to browse the internet to grab the latest news for our AI prompts. Now, the first thought is that we would need plugins for ChatGPT to browse the internet. Now, that was the first thought, and we even signed up for those plugins, and I haven't got access to it, but I did get access to browsing alpha. It seems that ChatGPT had a change of heart, and it's gonna have this enabled in one of the models. So instead of using a plugin, well, it's gonna be built into one of the models, which I'm going to show you right now. So let's go jump over to my desktop right now. Just to be clear, I did sign up for the ChatGPT plugins waiting list and I haven't got access to it, but I did get access to browsing alpha, and no, as of now, there's no waiting list. If there is, I'll leave the link in the description. Now, I got access to browsing alpha and it enables us to use this model. Now, I did get some comments on my past video saying that, was this a fake? Was it April's Fool's? And no, it's true. And I got these type of comments, but you know what? I'm testing it out for you. I'm gonna test out some prompts for this to show you how it actually works. But before I do that, I wanna show you our sponsors, which is Hostinger. They have great hosting plans, and I want to show you their shared hosting because they have great plans and there's an extra discount coupon code that you can use. So it starts off at $199 per month, which is really cheap. And they have the most popular one, which is premium web hosting. If you add it to cart, we're gonna go ahead and use a coupon code that gives you that extra discount. Now, once you're here in the cart, we have available 4 options. You can select 1 month, 12, 24, and 48 months. Obviously, the best one is to grab the 48 months because you lock in the price for $299 or depending on the plan that you select. Plus, you lock in the renew price, which is much lower. Now, for the discount coupon code, you can go ahead and add it right here. So you have a coupon code. Right now, it's $143.52. And if you add my coupon code, you can go ahead and apply it and you'll get an extra discount coupon code. There you go. Now it's $129.17. So take advantage of that. Now, let's go ahead and test out the prompts. So let's go ahead and start with this one. What are the top news headlines today? And I'm not going to provide it a link. It's gonna search for its own. Remember, we're using the model browsing alpha. So let's hit enter. It's gonna start browsing the web. And here's the step that it's going to take. You can see that it clicked on the New York Times news and it knows today is Wednesday. And it's going to provide us the information. Reading the content, and here we go. We got the response. So today is Wednesday, March 29th, 2023. So that is correct. And this is the latest headline. We're going away. A state's choice to Fargo Medicaid funds is killing hospitals. And you're going to see there's a little one here. That little one indicates where the source was grabbed from. So if I go here, go ahead and open that page, and that's where it grabbed the source. There we go. That's where it grabbed the source. And let's go ahead and test out another prompt. Let's go back to the beginning and list out this one. Can you provide a summary of the latest research published? Now let's start a new one. What is the current stock price of company X? So let's go here, browsing alpha. Let's go ahead and add it here. And we're going to ask it for the company Facebook. Okay, let's hit enter. It's going to browse the web and it's going to do its magic. It's searching current stock prices of Facebook, clicking on a link. There we go. It even knows this is not Facebook, it's Meta. So that's the correct term for their stock. So you can see today's date, stock price of Meta platform, formerly known as Facebook. So the AI engine knows that I wanted to find out Meta, not actually Facebook. And here's the price for it. And again, the source for it. Let's go back to the beginning. Let's start a new one. Who won the major? No. What are the current trends in fashion and design? Okay, that's an interesting one. Let's go ahead and test it out. I'll test out a new one with a link provided. So it's a different approach to using these prompts. So it seems that one failed. You could see that's an alpha because that is going to happen frequently. Let's test it out again, see if we get the same error right there. Okay, so we didn't get a response, and I'm glad that you saw this on the video. Now you have to understand that ChatGPT can't understand that if it can't read a website, let us know. Instead of just stopping, you can see we got the response over here on the left, but well, we got the title actually, but we didn't get a response for it, and it just stopped. So we see there's no option to stop it. It just regenerate response. So if it's trying to reach a site that has like an ad blocker, a bot blocker, something like that, it won't let it search it. Now, things that I've tested is, for example, try to find out if it can read an image. It can't, so it can't know what's in an image. I hope that comes later on because that would be a really cool thing. And let's test out this last one. What are the top best-selling books this week? So again, it's provided here in the prompt. And here we go. We got the response. Now, this is pretty interesting. This is actually like a scrape bot you would say. For example, top best-selling books, and you see clicked on this page, going back to last page, clicked on reading content and finish browsing, and we got our 5 books right here from the past week. Okay, so it's pretty cool that we have this option to browse the internet with ChatGPT to get the latest information. The idea is to not have that restriction where if you use GPT-4 or GPT 3.5, etc., it's locked into 2021. So if there's something going on, I don't know, in the past year, past week, etc., we can't use it in a prompt. But in this case, using Alpha, browsing Alpha, we can. So it's pretty cool that we have this feature. Like I said, as of now, there's no wait list sign up form, but if there is, I'll leave the link in the description. And don't forget to check out our sponsor, which is Hostinger, and use that coupon code. Well, we thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.